how to explain to your seller when the best time to sell is. Hey guys, I'm Zach Sykes at Homestead & Co. and I want to chat with you a little bit today about why selling in the winter is unexpectedly a really good time to sell your home. Now, most people think that more people move in the spring and the summer, more buyers are active in the spring and summer, and that's absolutely true. The spring and summer does have a higher activity, more number of homes sell during that time. So everybody thinks, well, if most homes sell during that time, that's when I should list mine. Now, I want to present another way to look at that. So the data for the last 4 or 5 years in our market here in Oklahoma City tells us that because everybody knows that's the best time to sell, everybody that's thinking about selling their home puts their home on at that time. And so more homeowners, more houses go in the market that buyers are in the market looking to buy compared to the winter time, right? Because everybody thinks winter's a bad time. And so there's a lot fewer homes on the market for not the same ratio of buyers in the market. There's actually less competition to sell your home during the winter, guys, and that's why it's a great time to sell during the winter. If you're wanting to move in your home or sell your home before the end of the year, hey, now is a great time. Remember, it takes around 60 days from initial meeting to prep to listing and get to close to get out of the house. So whatever 60 days is from now, that's what we can get you out of your home and into your next one. Hey guys, I'm Zach Sykes at Homestead & Co. Thanks for watching. I hope you're happy where you are, but if you're not, let's connect. Reach out to me at Zach, Z-A-C-H, at homesteadrealtyco.com. Again, that's Zach, Z-A-C-H, at homesteadrealtyco.com.